Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. And today I'm going to show you how to change font style on WhatsApp message. First is we open our WhatsApp application, and once we are here, click a conversation and type anything or reply. For example, I will type hello. Don't press send yet, and then click or highlight the text first. We have four options here. We have bold. Let's click the three buttons beside bold. And then here we have italic, strike through, and monospace. Let's click the bold first. Now the text is bold and let's send it. Let's try another font style. Let's type in hello again. Highlight and then click the three dots. Click italic. And there we go. That's how you change font style on WhatsApp application. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.